U.S. government. This is not a test. As of 1435, an unprecedented event is unfolding in Johns Creek, involving an anomalous reptile. All individuals within a 70-mile radius of the reptile's last known location are urged to follow the instructions provided in this emergency message. All residents, visitors, and personnel in the affected area must initiate an immediate evacuation. This includes leaving homes, workplaces, and any outdoor areas. Compliance with this emergency measure is mandatory. Failure to comply will result in severe penalties and may jeopardize your safety. The following instructions will be displayed on loop.